Championship final well underway. What a day of snooker we've got in store here. The world number one
Zhao Xintong to break.
Against the world champion. The two most exciting left-handers in the world of snooker. .53rd of his career.
One.
Exchanges in these multi-session matches.
Seven.
So, no reason to think he won't go full force into the cluster. Keep the pink in the open, hopefully. No good.
Virtually guaranteed to leave Trump a sight at a long red.
One.
Great pot, not out the woods just yet. Pink, level on the way. Massive shot.
But again,
Judd
another
Trump, one.
below par strike from Judd Trump. So often cues the ball so purely. He's shown us a couple examples in this match already of just not quite at the races so far, and that's down to pressure. It was a big blue and he knew it. But he's been thrown such a gift.
Okay. Got even Drago in the top of the top of the eye, and yeah, he is human. He does miss. He does make easy mistakes. It just gives Judd that little bit of breathing.
And all the while, the intensity around Judd Trump from his seat would have been getting quite severe.
Twelve. 30. Judd Trump, 19.
So the bad miss pink from Zhao Xintong, he's only suffered 19 points for it. Well, a big result. Difficult safety attempt trying to catch the thin edge of the red on the top cushion. Cue ball has somehow managed to find in behind the blue. So it's advantage Xintong now if he can play one tight safety shot.
Judd Trump at the moment is under serious pressure. Every single shot, and he can't do anything about it. There's tension in the shoulders. The cheeks are a wee bit flushed, and that's why he's got his fingers sort of wondering what's going on. He's bang under it. He's going to have to take one of these lifelines sooner than later. All right, he's on nothing.
One.
We're so used to seeing
7.
Judd Trump dominate, get on top of players, put them under so much pressure.
8.
He finds weaknesses in players that we've never seen before. But it's his turn now to try and stand up out there. I think it will mean so much to him to take this opportunity, make it count, head to the interval,
14.
2 each. Almost to just confirm in his
15.
own mind that he's the
21. 22. 28. 29.
well played for top side of the pink, but has landed low enough. He can just come across the face of these two reds. He's looking for one more red.
$35. 36.
And that'll make him feel really good. He was thrown a massive gift from the initial missed pink from Zhao Xintong early on in this frame. Couldn't take the chance.
42.
But when a second one came around, he stood up well.
43.
think the interval has come at a perfect time. Even though he's got this
49.
frame now, Judd Trump just allows him a bit of breathing space, just gather his thoughts. But as the players head off to the first
Judd Trump, 49.
interval of this match, it's a race to 10 for the Tour Championship final, and we're nicely poised. 2 frames all. What a match we've got to look forward to.